Good morning. My name is Kaylee Blakeney with M3A Architecture. I have with me Miss Betty Jones, and we're going to do the bid opening for the renovation to Ida B. Wells APAC School for Jackson Public School District, ESSER. The project number is 3216. We had two electronic bids. The first one is from Connerly Construction. Their contact information, P.O. Box 1500, Clinton, Mississippi 39060. Their insurance bid bond is through Travelers Casualty and Surety Company of America. They have their signature and seal. Their certificate of responsibility number is 03619-MC. They have acknowledged addendums 1 and 2. Their base bid is in the amount of $413,000. Again, that's 413,000 for 60 days. Their add alternate number 1 is in the amount of $848,000, 848,000, and that's for 30 days. Their deductive alternate number 2 is in the amount of $42,000, 420,000, and that's 0 days. Their deductive alternate number 3 is in the amount of $12,000.00. That's 120,000. Their deductive alternate number 4 is in the amount of $81,000.00, 81,000 for 0 days. Their unit price number 1 is in the amount of $8,000, 8,000. The second electronic bid is from Big Construction, BIG Construction. Their contact information is 119 Mount Helm Road, Brandon, Mississippi 39047. Their certificate of responsibility number is 23525-MC. Their surety is from Fair American Insurance and Reinsurance Company. They've acknowledged addendums 1 and 2. Their base bid is in the amount of $635,000.00, 635,000 for 60 days. Their add alternate number 1 is in the amount of $1,065,000, 1,065,000 for 30 days. Their deductive alternate number 2 is in the amount of $145,000.00, 145,000 with 15 days removed. Their deductive alternate number 3 is in the amount of $19,000.00, 19,000 with 15 days removed. Deductive alternate number 4 is in the amount of $70,000.00, 70,000. Their unit price number 1 is in the amount of $12,700.00, 127,000. And they have their bid bond, signature, and seal. That concludes the bids for renovation to Ida B. Wells APAC School for Jackson Public School District, ESSER, project number 3216.